వెల్కమ్ టు ఏజే అక్షర అకాడమీ యూట్యూబ్ ఛానల్. ఈ వీడియోను మొదటిసారిగా చూస్తున్న వారు దయచేసి లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. మీ యొక్క అమూల్యమైన అభిప్రాయాలను కామెంట్ సెక్షన్లో తెలియజేయండి. టుడేస్ టాపిక్ ఈస్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ బేస్డ్ ఆన్ kinetic theory of gases, lecture 1. In this session we are going to discuss kinetic theory of gases problems. Okay, let us go to the today's topic. First question: calculate the root mean square speed of an oxygen molecule at 288 Kelvin. In this question they are asking that calculate root mean square speed of an oxygen molecule at what temperature? 288 Kelvin. Let us go to the solution. First we will write the formula for root mean square speed. Vrms is equals to square root of 3RT by m. We will write the values, substituting values here. R value 8.314 and T in this question they given 288 Kelvin and capital M 0.032 gram molecular weight of oxygen molecule. Okay, substituting these values, 3 into 8.314 into 288 by 0.032, that is equals to square root of, after doing multiplication, 7183.296 by 0.032, that is equals to square root of 2241478, that is equals to, we are getting 473.79 meters per second. This is value of root mean square speed. Okay, this is the value of Vrms. Okay, we will go to the next question. Oxygen at 1 atmosphere and 0 degree centigrade has density of 1.429 gram per centimeter cube. Find the RMS speed of oxygen molecule. In this question they are asking that find RMS speed of oxygen molecule. They given density as 1.429, density as 1.429 gram centimeter cube or gram per centimeter cube. Pressure they given 1 atmosphere. Okay, now formula for, now let us go for solution. Formula for RMS speed of oxygen molecules, Vrms is equals to square root of 3p by rho, where p denotes the pressure and rho denotes the density. Either we can write rho or d for representing the density. One atom, that is equals to atmospheric pressure is equals to 1.013 into 1.013 into 10 to the power of 5 pascals. Okay, now substituting values of pressure and density in this formula. 3 into 1.013 into 10 to the power of 5 by 1.429. After doing multiplication and finding square root, we are getting 461.15 meters per second. This is the value of RMS speed of oxygen molecule. VRMS. Okay. Next, let us go to the next question. Question number 3. At what temperature will hydrogen molecule have the same root mean square speed as nitrogen molecules at 27 degree centigrade? In this question, they are asking that find the temperature. Will hydrogen molecules have the same root mean square speed as nitrogen molecules at 27 degree centigrade? First, we have to convert centigrade to Kelvin. K is equals to C plus 273. 273 plus 27, how much? 300. So, let us go to the solution. We are changing the first temperature, that is T1. We are calculating, suppose let us assume that T1 is equal to X and T2 is equal to nitrogen molecules. They give 27 degree centigrade. Converting into Kelvin, adding 273, it becomes 300 Kelvin. Now we will write the formula. The relation between temperature and gram molecular weight, that is T1 by M1 is equals to T2 by M2. Substituting values, T1 as X and M1 as gram molecular weight of hydrogen 2 into 10 to the power of minus 3 and T2 as 300 by gram molecular weight of nitrogen 28 into 10 to the power of minus 10 to the power of minus 3, 10 to the power of minus 3 cancel, 2 ones, 2 14s. Now X is equals to, taking cross multiplication, 300 by 14, that is equals to, we are getting 21.43 Kelvin. This is the temperature. Hydrogen molecules have the same root mean square speed as nitrogen molecules at 300 Kelvin. Okay. So, this is the answer. T2 is equals to 21.43 Kelvins. Okay, next go to the next question. Question number 4. The root mean square speed of a hydrogen molecule at 27 degree centigrade is dash meters per second. We are calculating root mean square speed of hydrogen molecule at 27 degree centigrade. Converting 27 degree centigrade into Kelvin, 27 plus 273, that is equals to 300 Kelvin. Let us go to the solution. Now we are writing the formula. Root mean square speed VRMS is equals to square root of 3 RT by M. T nothing but converting Celsius into Kelvin, that is equals to 300 Kelvin. So substituting the values, 3 into the value of R 8.314 into 300. This gram molecular weight of hydrogen is, we are writing 2 into 1.008 into 10 to the power of minus 3. Root of this complete value, 3 into 8.314 into 300. Here 10 to the power of minus 3 will, here 10 to the power of plus 3. That is 10 cubed by 2 into 1.008. Finally, we are getting answer root of 7482600 by 2.016. Finally, last we are getting 1926 meters per second. This is VRMS. This is the final answer. So, the root mean square speed of hydrogen molecule at 27 degree centigrade is 1926 meters per second. Okay, this is VRMS. This is final answer. Therefore, VRMS is equals to 1926 meters per second. Okay, next go to the next question. Let us go to the next question. Question number 5. At what temperature is the root mean square speed of an atom in an argon gas cylinder equal to the RMS speed of helium gas atom at minus 20 degrees centigrade? In this question, they given atomic mass of argon is equals to 39.9 and helium is equals to 4.0. Okay, next go to the solution. Formula for this, at what temperature we are finding? T1 by M1 is equals to T2 by M2. Here, at what temperature is the root mean square speed? Nothing but we have to calculate the argon gas cylinder temperature. T2 they given minus 20. First we should calculate T2, that is equals to 273 minus 20, that is equals to 253 Kelvin. Okay, now substituting the values in this formula, T1 we are finding T1 by M1 value 39.9 and T2 253 by M2 value 4. So taking cross multiplication, T1 is equals to 39.9 into 253 by 4. Now we are doing cross multiplication. Now we are writing the answer. So after calculating multiplication 39.9 into 253, we are getting 10.0947 by 4. That is equals to T1 is equals to 2523.67 Kelvin. This is temperature of an atom in an argon gas cylinder, 2523.67 Kelvins. Okay, next go to. Thanks for watching this video.